Hey YouTube, St. Frank here. Today, going to be opening up a hobby box of this. Just came out as of when I'm opening this. Well, I don't know. It might have been out for a while. First time I saw it, 2021 Topps Heritage Miners Baseball. Really interesting. Find 2 on-card autograph cards per box, so that's new this year. That used to be just one. They used to give you a relic and a auto in each box. Now you get 2 autos. I wonder if they did away with relics. Let's see. There's only one way to find out, I suppose. We got Spencer Torkelson is on the cover, on the box cover. That'd be awesome if he has autographs in here. Let's go ahead and open it. And despite 2 on-card autographs per box, it was pretty much the same price. I paid $70. Like maybe a little bit more than last year, but that's why I like Heritage Miners, because they're just really cheap. It's a fun, cheap break, and you get an auto usually. Oh, and I forget, you get box toppers and things too. 1972 Topps poster card box loader, 3 cards. Alright, let's see what this is. Yeah, those are nice. Ed Howard. I like the look of those. Ooh, Wander Franco. That's a nice little pull. I'm going to send that in for grading it. And Austin Martin, that's a nice pull too. I like both those players. I don't have sleeves. Ooh, here's one. He's this. That's a nasty old sleeve. I'll just put it in on this Wander Franco just so I don't ding it. Nothing on the back of those cards, but that is cool. I want to send that in for grading. I'm a big Wander Franco supporter. Now I wonder if there's Wander Franco autos. That'd be even cooler. There's the odds there. Of course, these are going to be based off of 1972 Topps. We got Jefferson Espinal, George Kirby, something green. Traded Kanan Smith Najiba, Gabriel Arias. A lot of cards that people got traded. Xavier Edwards, Isaiah Green, Bo Naylor, and a Brennan Davis. That's a nice one to get a parallel of. That's one of the top prospects out of 75 green. Yeah, I'm gonna sleeve it later, guys. So don't worry, I will take care of that card. I believe he's a Cubs prospect. Matt Manning, Casey Martin. Is that dude? Casey Martin. I'm thinking Austin Martin. Jake Snyder, Yordis Valdez, Jordan Walker, Hudson Haskin, Tanner Burns, and Austin Hendrick. I like the look of these cards. They picked some good photos. So we got Travis Swaggerty, Jose Tena, Wildred Patino. Oh, ooh, that's a nice one. Robert Hassel. I'm a big believer that this is a great player here. Robert Hassel, on-card auto. Nice. Very excited about that one. That's cool. Of the Azel Padres. Austin Martin. That's pretty cool. Diego Cartaya. Jaiwan Bay and Asa Lacy in action. And every once in a while I'm going to go through and check for short prints. I believe in Heritage Miners, it's the cards that are numbered over 200 are short prints. Also, there might be little surprises in there. I need to look. Make sure there's... I think if there's a variation of some sort, it'll be written up there on top. I'm just guessing. Yeah. I'll probably open up another box of this at some point. I usually open 2 or 3 every year, especially because they're reasonably priced. Joan Duran, Brandon Shoemake, Brandon Marsh, Brandon Lewis. We got a little mini card. Nick Gonzalez, that's a good player. Aaron Ashby, Mike Siani, Shane Baz. J.C. Correa, Maceo Urbina, Garrett Mitchell. And of course, most of these guys, who knows if they're going to end up being great players. So it's fun to look back. Oh, there's something different in this pack too. It's fun to look back a few years from now and see how many of these guys made it big in the big leagues. Jeremy De La Rosa. Oh, that's cool. Pete Crow Armstrong. I wonder what that is. That's a cool looking insert. Matthew Liberatore, Ivan Herrera, and Eric Pena. Especially cool to get some of the short prints also. Hunter Green, Jeremy Pena, Corbin Carroll, Jarren Duran, Boyhood Foes of the Stars, Andrew Jones, Daniel Cabrera, Adenso Reyes, Antonio Gomez. See, like that Robert Hassel auto, I'm pretty sure Robert Hassel is going to end up making an impact in the big league. So that, to get him as an auto in this is very nice. Riley Green, that's a good prospect there for the Tigers. Avon Johnson, Ryan Velade, Burrell Callaway. There's another one of those. Austin Hendrick. I'm going to just set them aside as inserts. Tyler Callahan, Blaze Jordan. That's a good prospect there for the Red Sox. Oswald Peraza. That'd be cool to get a Blaze Jordan autograph in this. I don't know if he's in here. George Valera, Max Meyer, Simeon Woods Richardson, Garrett Anderson, Colin Barber, Christian Robinson, Justin Turner, and Ronnie Murray. So it seems like the quality of the cards is very good also. I think it's better quality than the regular release of this year's Heritage. Like the cards look nice and centered. And it seems like a little bit nicer card quality. Or it could just be crazy. AJ Vukovic. Turn that for the glare. Alec Thomas. Anthony Servadio. Aaron Sabato. Another one of these mini cards. Pedro Leon. Jordan Groshans. I think he's a good prospect. Francisco Alvarez. There's a really good prospect. And David Calabrese. Quinn Priester, Andre Lipsius, Jordan Westberg, another one of these. That's a good player. Marco Luciano, Austin Martin in action, Simon Muzziotti, Xavier Warren, and there's a nice Robert Hassel. No short prints yet. In the previous years recently, it seems like I would get 3 short prints pretty consistently per box of Heritage Miners. Jeremy Yidens, Nick Bitsko, Heston Kjerstad. That's a good prospect there for the Orioles. Looks like a little kid. Bobby Witt Jr. Nice. I like that one. And it's one of these little cool looking insert cards. Amazing prospect right there. Tink Hensey, Yoshwar Garcia, CJ Van Eyck, and Andre Nebe. He's got an extra N in his name. What's up with that? Grant McCray, Brett Beatty, Jesse Franklin, Luis Matos. There's a Babe Ruth. Didn't think you were going to pull a Babe Ruth card in a box of Heritage Miners. Michael Harris, Brennan Davis, Josh Young. There's a excellent prospect for the Rangers. I just love the centering on these cards. Great. They did a good job. Giving all kinds of props to Topps on this set. Now I wonder, will Topps be able to keep making these in after 2022? Because they're just minor league cards. That'd be sweet if they were able to keep doing that. Not sure how that licensing situation is going to go down. Greg Jones, Jeter Downs traded from the Sea Dogs. Freddie Valdez, Luis Angel Acuna. This is a Rangers prospect, and I would love to get his Bowman Chrome auto, but it's very high priced. I wonder if it's just because his last name is Acuna. Evan Carter, Alexander Vargas, Freddie Zamora, Micker Adolfo. So we haven't got any of our short prints, and we're still short in auto here. We're running. This is after this, we'll have 4 packs left. Petey Halpin, Reed Detmers. That's a good prospect for the Angels. There's Spencer Torkelson. I'd love to get one of his cards, like the regular card. Jared Kelly, Alexander Vizcaíno, Cody Jose, Ethan Hankins, and Isaiah Campbell. So there's quite a few good minor league players. Ooh, that was a short print. Acuna is a short print. Wow. And Vizcaíno. Now you can tell they're short prints because you can see number 201 and number 217. The cards with those numbers are short prints. So that's cool. They put a Rangers guy as a short print. Alright, so we got Gabriel Moreno, Josiah Gray, Dylan Dingler, Avery Short. There's our other auto, Antonio Gomez of the Yankees. I don't know anything about Antonio. Let's see. He was born in 2001, so very young still. Had 47 at-bats, hit 255. So, tough to tell what position does he play. Doesn't say on there. He threw out 50% of base stealers, so he must be a catcher. Matthew Liberatore traded. And Gage Workman, Nick Gonzalez. Riley Thompson, Nick York, Michael Escato, Robert Pulison. I wonder if that's a short print. Nope. Bobby Witt Jr., one of these mini cards. So we got some Bobby Witt Jr. minis. That would be another good card to get, is Bobby Witt Jr. Matthew Thompson, Christopher Morel, Gunnar Henderson. I wonder if he has autos. That'd be sick. I need to look at the checklist. There should be short prints in both these last 2 packs, if I was going to guess. Miguel Vargas. There's Spencer Torkelson. There's one of the guys that's definitely wanting to pull. He's not a short print. Jordan Adams, Pedro Leon. I'm going to put this on the side, though. Over there. Pedro Leon, Mason Wynn. Not a short print. Bryce Ball, Terran Vavra, and Owen Casey. And Pedro Leon was a short print. And there should be one last short print here. This pack's hard to open. And we never did get a relic card, so they must have done away with... Oh wait, there's something in there. It's not a relic, though. They must have done away with the relics in this set. Glenn Allen Hill Jr., Zach Veen, Gilbert Sanchez, Jordan Walker, one of those inserts, Jordan Nagu, Hudson Head, Antonio Cabello, Kobe Mayo. So did we get a short print there? No, maybe they're only doing 2 short prints per box. But I think this is a pretty good box. Actually, a really good box. We got Jordan Walker insert, Pedro Leon short print, Spencer Torkelson, Bobby Witt Jr. insert mini, Antonio Gomez on card auto, Luis Angel Acuna, Rangers short print. Was that short print? Oh yeah, I did get 3 short prints. Okay, it was Acuna, Leon, and this Alexander Vizcaino. So he did get our 3. Nice insert card there, Bobby Witt Jr., Northwest Arkansas Naturals. Luciano and Leon mini things. Austin Hendrick and Pete Crow Armstrong inserts. Nick Gonzalez mini thing. Love this. Robert Hassel on card auto. Brennan Davis, that's a nice out of 75 green. And then our box toppers, we got a Wander Franco and an Austin Martin. So pretty awesome. Go check them out. They're really good price for that, especially when you get 2 on card autos of up and coming stars. All right, later.